CVLIFE range bag. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three Rivers Survival. So CVLIFE did reach out to me and wanted me to check out this bag. Now, I know a lot of you don't know me personally, but I am a firearms instructor. And when we spoke on the internets or interwebs, we had a conversation. They wanted me to check out this bag. I said, okay, I'm kind of in a need for a new one because my old one is all messed up. So we wound up getting one of these, and these are on sale right now on Amazon for 40 bucks. I was like, okay, 40 bucks, no big deal. You know, it's not very expensive. But I beat the hell out of this thing for 3 weeks. The zippers still work. Nothing is broken. It's a fantastic bag. It has a lot of space. That being said, let's talk a little bit about the specs. I'm going to give you a little bit of the specs. All right, so there are two different types of range bags. One is specifically designed for guns. The other one is the Duffle. This is the Duffle. It's more prone to putting your equipment in as opposed to just carrying firearms. I don't put any firearms inside my bag. This is mostly for range purposes and specifically as an instructor or a teacher. This was the perfect deal, and it comes in 3 different colors. It comes in black, it comes in flat dark earth that you see here, and it also comes in Ranger green. So if you like colors, there you go. Let's do a little bit of the specs. So it's 14.5 long, 9.25 wide, and 10.24 high. It is made from 600 deep PVC nylon fabric, which is a robust, waterproof, yet lightweight, reinforced. Sewn strength points to the last. Thick padded design, rigid compartments, large capacity, main compartment. Range bag can hold up to 4 pistols. Pretty good. Earmuffs, goggles, magazines, etc. 2 inner pockets, removable dividers, which we'll get into because that's pretty cool. Organized front zipper, 6 slots, mesh pocket. It has 2 zippered pockets, back, front, side. Well-designed main compartment, equipment, heavy-duty lockable zippers, secure your firearms, ammo, transportation, and 3-sided molly, which is kind of nice. Gun bags allow you to carry it with a sturdy handle, which you just saw, or a shoulder strap. I pretty much just use the shoulder strap. Thick padded shoulder strap, comfortable shooting for hunting experiences, etc., etc. I mean, listen, the bottom line is if you really need a range bag for under 40 bucks, this is the bag for you. If you want to buy it, I'm going to put all the links down below. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you buy it from me, using my links, I think I get like 2 cents on the dollar, so thank you for your support. Another way you can support this channel is to like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. If you have one of these bags, let me know in the comments down below how you feel about it, if you like it, what was your experiences with it. Also, if you want to support this channel, you can become a Patreon member. Only cost you $1 a month, and you get to watch videos like this before anybody else. All right, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what's in my range bag and show you the bag itself. Like I said, I use this every single day. It's been working out fantastic. I have no complaints. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the camera, wait all the way to the end, and make your own decisions. All right, guys, I hope this helps a little bit. This is the front of the bag. It does have a moto patch up there if you wanted to put your name tape, which I typically do. I put my name tape up here so people know that it's mine, but also you can put any type of American flags. This flag actually came with it, which is nice. These D-rings right here did not come with it. This was on my own range bag, but I just put them on there. I just took all my old range stuff and put it in this bag, and it worked out fantastic. As you can see on the front of the bag, it does have all of this laser cut, and around the side you do have molly attachments, which is nice. It does have some secure D-rings, metal D-rings. Thank you very much for that. The zippers work very, very well. I've never had a problem with that at all. On the back you have these 2 major pockets and another zip pocket, right? A lot of pockets. This is a pocket palooza, right? On the next one, on the other side, again, more molly, more pockets. This has a ton of pockets. On the top, as you can see here, right, it just has this big rip-open pocket, all right? It has all my gear inside, and we'll get into that in a second. If I flip the bag around, or if I flip the bag upside down, it does have 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of these plastic feet, which is very, very nice because, again, as most people know, if you go to the range, it's dirty, it's dusty, and the bag will start to wear out. It does have a liner inside and a hard plastic insert, which is very, very nice. All right, so let's get into this bag. All right, so on the front pocket, it does have these zippers that work really nicely. Again, this is semi-waterproof. I just keep some extra Band-Aids and stuff like that in there. It's more of that boo-boo ouch stuff. A lot of people get cut on the range, maybe get slide bite, that kind of thing. I also do have a medical kit in here. All right, this is a lot of medical supplies. As you can see, I just pop it open and everything kind of falls out. But I do have a lot of medical kit, medical gauze, some boo-boo stuff, some ouchie stuff. I do have tourniquets in here, gloves, all of that stuff. Quick clot, all kinds of great stuff that I might need on a range, specifically if there's some type of major injury or trauma. But I just want to show you all the stuff that I can fit in here. Take all this stuff out so you can see it. Always have sunblock as well. So it does have this nice zippered mesh pouch where I'm going to put a lot of my small stuff. All right. Also have a vent seal in there. Some burn dressing if somebody gets hurt or burned. All right. Electrolytes, because a lot of people forget to bring water to the range and then they wind up passing out. So it's a huge pain in the ass for instructors. But you know, it is what it is. That's part of the job. I always put my little boo-boo stuff in here, and I'll probably put my little things in here as well. All right. Trauma shears, of course. Right here is where the bag kind of shines. You can also put your magazines in here, which I really, really like. It is an ample front space. All right. Triple stitch, double stitch. Very, very nice. And it works very, very well. All right, so that's the front of the bag. I wanted to keep all my medical kit all up front in case I need it. Like I said, it should be organized a little bit better, but again, I just threw all my medical stuff in there just so I have it. Again, I also wear a IFAK on my gun belt as well in case somebody needs immediate help. I always have a tourniquet and some more medical kit. This is just extra or maybe some replacement stuff and some boo-boo, ouch, headache medicines, that kind of thing. All right, on this side of the bag, I have MOLLE straps over here, but this is my battery compartment. I have a ton of batteries in here because, as you know, everything is electronic now. Electronic Ear Pro, and also optics and all kinds of things. So nothing goes inside this pouch but my batteries. So when somebody's batteries don't work or their Ear Pro kind of goes dead, at least I have something available for them. So all of that goes in here. Again, these pouches are semi-waterproof, which is nice, but that's my battery pack. All right, let's go around to the other side. So on this side is my tool kit. All right, there is a lot of things that go wrong on the range. I always have a very, very mini cleaning kit because sometimes you can just fix problems with just oiling it and lubing it and fixing it up. All right, very small screwdriver. All right, has little tiny bits in here, which is nice. Also have the micro screwdriver, 6-piece precision screwdriver set. Again, that's going to have to do with any type of optics or anything like that I need to fix. I also have my multi-tool. Always have a Leatherman multi-tool on the range, so if you're not going to carry it on your belt, at least have it inside your kit. Couple little odds and ends in here. So this is a magnifying glass with a light on it. All right, this is kind of old school, but if you're really looking to find something that will help you find those little things or little springs that kind of shoot out, or maybe you need to modify something, you can actually see what you're doing. And I have a couple of bits, again, different bits for the screwdriver. All right, also some different bits for the screwdriver. All right, that's it. That's the only thing I'm really have in there. I'm not trying to build guns on the range. This is just very quick, down and dirty maintenance. All right, let's go to the back. So the back, I typically just throw my clipboard in there. It has all my drills, all the information, and it's really nice to have something to write on. This back pocket here is where I put all my markers, because anybody that works in a range understands that 2 is 1, 1 is none. You need about 50 pens and pencils and markers because nobody ever brings any writing implements to the range. I don't know. That just must be a thing. But I got markers, color markers, pens, pencils. All that stuff is tucked in these two pockets, and it's quick access just to grab it and go. When the zip panel comes down, you can see there's some nice mesh in here. So if you wanted to put some more stuff inside here, you can. It also comes with these dividers. It also comes with these dividers. These dividers are panels that you could put inside the bag, attach MOLLE equipment with it. So it's really, really nice to have these, and it's Velcro mesh. So if you wanted to put a firearm in here, you could just get one of those holsters with the Velcro, and you could put it in the back. Again, like I said, I don't store or use any firearms inside this bag. It's just typically a range bag for me. So what I do is just zip it up a little bit, and then throw my clipboard in there. Works pretty well. So let's get on the inside of the bag. All right, it's a top opening bag. It flips open, sort of like a clamshell, which is kind of nice. All right, I'm gonna take all the stuff out of the bag so you guys can see what's actually in here. You can put a kitchen sink in here, and I think, unfortunately, I kind of did that. But it's things that you would need on the range typically if you're going to be out there all day, all week, that kind of thing. Again, you could see that the lining does have some type of plastic material, and that's going to keep your bag semi-dry, okay? So a couple things I have in there. Again, my shot timer, obviously. This is my monocular. I think this is, Solo from Vortex. This is my monocular. So I like this because as I get older, I'm getting more and more blind, and it is difficult to see from the 25-yard line, but with this thing, it kind of helps out quite a bit. So I can see how students are shooting. I also have in here my stamp. All right, that helps out a lot. Some extra ear pro, some extra eye pro, because again, I don't know why, but students always forget their eye pro, or they break it. Lap luller, all right, so someone's having trouble loading up their magazines, you could just throw them that real quick. Hand sanitizer, because of course the range is dingy and dirty. SPS 50, if you go to an outdoor range like I do, you're going to need some type of sun protection. Also, bug spray. Same reason. If you go to an outdoor range, you're going to need that. More pens. Like I said, you cannot have enough pens inside your bag. I have a rod or a punch rod or a cleaning rod. Again, that helps out quite a bit. So if you got that nasty stuck shell, you can punch that out. These are my actual Oakley glasses. These are my range glasses. I think they are oil cans. They are rated for the range, so I have that in there as well. A couple boxes of ammo, because someone always forgets to bring ammo. Stapler, gotta have a stapler. Tape, all right, so if we're doing occluded optics or we need some tape, I have some masking tape in there. Again, another marker, gotta have that. Pain aids, all right, these pain aids you're probably going to need, especially if you're out there all day, you're dehydrated, you have a headache, you're shooting all day. More pens, punch rod, something to drink out of. This is my water bottle. I probably should clean this out. I haven't cleaned it out in quite some time, but it actually fits inside the bag, which is really nice. All right, so I don't have to go hunting for it. All right, I got my ear pro, my electronic ear pro. I think these are the 500s. This has Bluetooth technology in there, so I'm going to need that. Flashlight, again, we constantly do a lot of flashlight drills. So if you don't have a flashlight and you're going to do a tactical course, sometimes it's better just to have an extra one on hand because someone will always forget it. All right, couple training cards. So that's about it. So let me show you what the inside looks like. again, you have these dividers right here. These dividers you can take out, and they are Velcro. You can also use the MOLLE panels that you saw in the other pouch, and what that allows you to do is you can put it against a wall and put some MOLLE equipment. Again, these are just made out of slight cardboard, and it's a little bowed right now because I have weight on it, but again, these bags are outstanding. I would highly recommend them. Plenty of space inside there. All right, guys, let's go back up top and finish up. All right, guys, CVLIFE, check it out. This is a deal or a steal for $40. You're not going to get a better bag. I've been beating this thing up for 3 weeks now, and it's going to be my range bag. I don't see it falling apart. You see the amount of equipment that I put inside here. It's a lot. I thought originally that it might fall apart, but it didn't. It just keeps trucking, so I'm kind of sold on it. I might get another one, maybe in a different color. Thank you very much, guys. What I need you to do is to like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. It really helps the algorithms, helps me out. If you're interested in this, I will put the product link down below. If you buy from Amazon, again, it's only going to help me out as well. So thank you very much, guys. And as always, be safe.